Hi everyone, I am Varagna Chaudhary, Partnership Strategist at Management, and today we will be reviewing a platform which is a leading customer support platform amongst businesses, Freshdesk. So Freshdesk offers a lot of features like ticketing, live chat, analytics, and automation tools to streamline customer interactions. But is it the right tool for your business? In this review, we'll explore the same. We'll see its pros and cons, the pricing, the key features, as well as overall usability to help you make an informed decision. If you're already a Freshdesk user, let us know your experience in the comments below. And if you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest software reviews. So let us start with the key features that Freshdesk provides. So first thing you'll see upon logging into Freshdesk is its dashboard, which provides an overview of ticket statistics, customer satisfaction scores, and your team's to-do list. With its well-designed graphs and detailed insights, Freshdesk dashboard is one of the more user-friendly ones among helpdesk tools. The dashboard allows managers to quickly assess performance metrics, track customer interactions, and identify potential bottlenecks that may require attention. Moving on is talking about the ticketing system. So Freshdesk allows businesses to manage customer concerns through an efficient ticketing system. The tickets can be generated through live chat, website widgets, or email, and your support agents can easily respond to them in real time. The system is designed to streamline workflows by automatically categorizing and prioritizing tickets based on urgency, and ensuring that high priority issues receive prompt attention. So businesses can also set up automation rules to assign tickets to specific agents or teams, and thus they can reduce manual effort and increase efficiency. Next, we'll talk about the Help Center. So talking about the Help Center, it is essential for businesses which are looking to provide self-service options for customers. So Freshdesk enables you to create a comprehensive knowledge base with text, images, and videos, making it easy for customers to find answers without needing direct support. The editor provided by Freshdesk allows for seamless content creation, and businesses can organize articles into categories for better accessibility. Additionally, companies can track how often customers access specific Help Center articles, thus gaining insights into common issues that may require additional support. So moving back to our dashboard, next we have analytics. So Freshdesk offers advanced analytic tools, allowing users to generate custom reports, schedule automated reports, and export data. This feature is particularly useful for businesses which are looking to track performance and optimize their customer support strategy. So the analytics section includes pre-built reports that provide insights into response times, resolution rates, and customer satisfaction levels. So as you can see here, you can already have a predetermined format for customer analysis report, timesheet summary, agent performance, SLA, backlogs, ticket creation, ticket lifecycle report, resolution, support overview, adoption reports, and so on and so forth. Again, you can categorize your reports and add them to various sections as in curated reports. You can have private reports in terms of the data that you're looking for. You can have shared reports with certain other people that you want in the team. And you can also have access to certain old curated reports. Furthermore, you can add the favorite ones into this folder right here. To create a new report, you'll just go to the new report section, and you can drag and drop the widgets that you want and the data that you want to here to create your report. Here you have gallery, and you can create from scratch charts where you can visualize the data. You can add interactive filters, text, images, and whatever you require in order to make a successful report. Freshdesk also provides you with a chatbot. As you can see, it's Freddy AI here. So Freshdesk chatbot feature enables automated customer interaction when agents are unavailable. It can answer FAQs, it can collect customer details, and direct users to the right support channels. However, as mentioned earlier, this feature is quite expensive and may not be suitable for certain businesses. But the chatbox can be customized to provide a personalized experience, and its effectiveness depends on the complexity of the queries it is programmed to handle. For businesses dealing with high volumes of customer inquiries, the chatbot can serve as a valuable first line of support, but its cost may be a limiting factor for some. Talking about integrations as well, One of Freshdesk's strengths is its ability to integrate with a variety of third-party applications, including CRM platforms, marketing tools, and e-commerce solutions. These integrations help businesses centralize their customer support operations and streamline workflows. Popular integrations include Salesforce, Slack, Shopify, and Google Workspace, allowing teams to enhance their productivity without switching between multiple applications. Moreover, talking about the automation and AI features, Freshdesk offers several automation tools which are designed to improve efficiency, including automated ticket assignment, canned responses, and workflow automation. Higher tier plans also include AI powered features such as predictive analytics and sentiment analysis, which helps businesses understand customer emotions and improving engagement strategies. Now, talking about the pricing structure which Freshdesk provides. So once you log into Freshdesk, you will basically have a 14-day free trial to check whether it aligns with your goals or not. So after the free trial is over, these are the following plans that you can subscribe to. First is the growth plan, which is recommended for growing teams with reporting, self-service, and automation needs. So here you will get everything which is included in the free pack, which is email ticketing, shared inbox, threads and tasks, knowledge base, and out-of-the-box analytics and reporting. And apart from that, you'll also have automations, customer portal, real-time dashboard, in-depth help desk report, SLA management and business hours, as well as 1,000 plus marketplace apps. The next is the Pro Pack, which costs 35.99 rupees. And it is billed annually. So this one is perfect for upscaling businesses which need advancing ticketing, routing, and reporting. So here you will get everything which you get in the growth pack, along with multilingual support, agent availability dashboard, ticket templates, advanced custom fields, multiple SLA policies, round robin and load balance assignment, global multiple and group specific business hours, as well as Freddy AI Copilot add-on. Apart from that, you'll also get the enterprise plan, which costs 56.99 rupees, and this is billed annually. And this is for comprehensive support for enterprises which need extensive customization and security. So here you will get everything which you get in the Pro Pack, along with Sandbox, unlimited products, custom object analysis, approval workflow for knowledge base, flexible knowledge base hierarchy, HIPAA compliance, skill-based ticket assignment, agent shifts, GWT authentication, audit logs, and allowed domains and IP whitelisting. So these are the key features that you would get in the major pricing plans that Freshdesk provides. Now, before we come to the conclusion of this video, let's talk about the pros and cons that we've had till now. So Freshdesk is widely regarded for its ease of use and a powerful free plan that supports unlimited agents, making a great choice for businesses which are looking for a cost-effective solution. It also integrates seamlessly with other Freshwork products, which is enhancing its usability. The platform is designed with a user-friendly interface, and it ensures that even beginners can quickly navigate through its features without extensive training. Additionally, Freshdesk provides robust automation capabilities that help reduce response times and improve overall efficiency. However, Freshdesk's paid plans can be quite expensive compared to alternatives, making them potentially unaffordable for smaller businesses. And the chatbot feature, while is very useful, can be a little pricey for certain businesses. So talking about the conclusion now, Freshdesk is an excellent choice for many businesses due to the extensive features that it provides, the strong free plan that it gives you for the first 14 days, along with a user-friendly interface. It provides more advanced capabilities than smaller competitors like Help and Scout, making it a powerful tool for scaling businesses. However, while it is generally more affordable than Zendesk, it remains pricier than some of its smaller competitors. So before choosing a paid plan, businesses should conduct a cost-benefit analysis as well to determine if Freshdesk aligns with their support needs and budget. However, Freshdesk would be a solid choice for businesses because of the extensive features that it provides. So if you're interested, you can try Freshdesk today by clicking the link in the description below. And what do you think about Freshdesk, and do you agree with our assessment? Share your thoughts in the comments regarding the same. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like, and check us out for more software insights in the future.